Hi, I'm Faith from Harmony Schools, and my STEM project today is Balloon Helicopter. Okay, you're probably wondering how this toy is related to STEM or physics, so let me explain. When you put together the blades on the helicopter, whistle, whatever you want to call it, you make a helicopter blade. And you attach something in the balloon so it can connect to the whistle. So I'm attaching this blue thing. And then you blow it up. The way this works is Newton's third law, because once the air is released out of this blue part and into this yellow part, the action has an opposite reaction. And so the balloon will begin to go up and the blades will spin. Thank you for watching Harmony School.